Hey, it's James and Michael, the crypto guys. You see this sign above my head that says exit? Should you exit Bitcoin and all your altcoins right now? Well, there's a lot going on, and you got to stay to the end of this video, and we're going to tell you some things that you need to know. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't. And Michael, let's go ahead and dive in because there's some interesting news like inflation.
7.9% inflation. That's crazy. I mean, wow. Right now, I think people are getting concerned about that. Like if you're making, 100,000 US a year, you just lost 7.9 thousand. That's what it means. Just like that. And so not only that, but I think to deal with inflation, Mexico senator proposed a Bitcoin legal tender bill. Even though it's unlikely to pass, he still put it through because it's a trend. Bitcoin may be kind of the how I can say it the right way, like people are looking somewhere to put their money that's not going to lose so much as the US dollar is burning in value, right? So anyway, I want to share that with you. I do believe that Bitcoin is going to be more and more valuable as the US dollar continues to decrease in value. So I think it was Michael Saylor who said 10 years from now, you've lost pretty much all the value. If you were to save your US dollar for 10 years, you would pretty much lose everything that you have.
That's right? Crazy. That's crazy. I was thinking about Bitcoin and the Mexican senator, and how is this going to be a trend for the future? And I just got a text from a friend of mine who said her son, who is, I think, maybe 15, wants money from her so that he can invest in crypto. You got to remember, the younger generation, they are really getting into crypto. And those younger people are going to eventually become presidents, prime ministers. And so you got to look at the long-term trend here, what's going on. This is not a passing fad for sure. All right, but let's jump in. Let's jump in to what's going on and just some of the information that we got for you to help you make some wise decisions with your trades. And should you be exiting and what's going on? A lot of uncertainty.
Yeah, well, we're still in a symmetry triangle right now. And so we're getting support right now here. So that's good, right? Right now is a good because it might bounce and go to here. And actually, that's what I hope is going to happen. And I would exit a lot of my altcoins. Tomorrow, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will go over why the chance of a bear market has significantly increased, and I'll give you the data behind that. So you got to subscribe to this channel if you want to get that, and make sure you press the notification bells and all that. Do that right now don't wait right now. Okay. Now, if we break support, my buy level will be this level about 35, about 34,000. And however, it was originally the 33, but we may not do that. And the reason is because this symmetry triangle, the bottom of the triangle is usually where it's going to go. So we can see that we had support here. So I would see Bitcoin going to there. If it goes back to where it was, the lowest point was 33,000. Okay. So buying here and then DC in 33 and then 30. Okay. Those are short-term trades. I will repeat that. Right now, you don't want to get into long-term trades because you want to be cash positive. So when I'm saying I'm going to buy it, what I mean is I'm going to play the volatility game. It goes down, it's going to go up. I'm probably going to sell it here, right? Now, some people are saying the sales target should be 45, but I don't know. We got rejected here quite a few times. It seems like this level here is a good place to sell. Okay. So that's where I'm going to go for anyway. So you buy here, you sell that here, you do short-term trades. If it goes down, you want to buy. If it goes down, you buy again. I'm pretty sure we'll get a bounce at the 28,000. Okay. But then you would lower your sales target probably at 40. Okay. Because if it goes lower, your sales target's lower. So that would be a good strategy on the short term. If you have, make sure to watch this channel so we continue to do good technical analysis for you. So you know and feel confident that, hey, yeah, that's a good strategy. Let me do that too. And then later, after we bounce on the 30, if we go in a bear market, I want you to remember the worst case when we go in a bear market, which I will talk about tomorrow. right now, that I just want to let you know that it's going to be about 20,000. So I want to be cash positive for that, but that's not going to happen anytime soon. So don't panic, sell everything you got and wait for the 20. Don't do that yet. Be patient. Okay. Play the levels and you'll do just fine. So right now, opportunity starts here, there, and there. Okay. And you DCA, whatever you're comfortable to risk. Okay. But they're short-term plays. They're short-term plays.
And just remember, on this channel, we do technical analysis and we share what we're doing and our strategies. But just as a disclaimer, this is not financial advice for you. You've got to make your own decisions in your own trades to do your own due diligence.
Yeah. we're just sharing what we're doing. This is a hobby for James and I to make these like videos, but we want to help like people. So yeah, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we'll go into the real data on why a bear market is definitely possible. Not tomorrow, after tomorrow, because tomorrow's Sunday. So Monday, I will go through all that data for you so you're prepared in case that happens, because Monday is going to be an important day. So make sure to come back. All right, see you next time.
It is. But tomorrow, tune in because we're going to share one of our recent favorite altcoins that you don't want to miss.
Yeah, which the buy level might change if we're going to bear market. That again, that would be a short-term trade.
That's true.
Yeah, things have changed. But anyway, we'll talk about one altcoin tomorrow that I like, one of my favorite ones. So come back tomorrow night about the same time. All right, guys. Bye-bye.
Sounds good. Have a good one.